This is my bike check. Got a premium Solo Plus 2011 frame, premium counterfeit grips, premium bar ends, texture brake lever, Odyssey linear brake cable, Fly Rubin tire, Fly Rubin or Fly Sergio tire, Alienation 440 rim, Demolition Blue Lumia hub, U-Sport hub guard, premium forks, premium brake cable strap, Cane Creek's what's it called? Cane Creek headset, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, premium cranks, premium sprocket, KMC chain, premium brake, Odyssey 8 pads, brake pads, yeah. Premium refuse to resist tire, Alienation black sheep rim, premium hub, premium pivotal elastic seat, pivotal seat post, premium stock, premium seat post clamp, premium stem, and yeah. Okay. Bye. Subscribe and yeah.